I'm going to show you how to add category pages to the menu here in Wix website. So what I'm going to have to do is to copy the blog, the category I want to add in the menu, right? So what I need to do here, I'm going to have to publish, and here I'm going to have to copy. So, or I can visit the website and I can copy from the blog. I'll click on blog, and here I have a few categories I've created just for this example. Just for this tutorial, I'll click on this category, let's say, and I'll copy this link. And now what I'm gonna have to do here is to go back here, then I'll go to pages and menu, and then here I'll click on side menu, and then here we have not here, sorry, we click on here, and then here we have link, add menu item, and select link, and then here you're gonna select web page, and it's just just paste the link you just copied. Done. And now I'll select this is a category, and then now if I click on preview, or I can just click on view site, and then here I click on blog, or you don't have actually to click on blog. You just need to make sure, I don't know if I saved this, so I'll go back. And then here, let me check if I have this category. Yes, I do have. Is it here? And now if I click on preview, actually I should click on view site. And then here, let me just refresh. I have category here. Now I click on category. This will direct me to the category that I was, this one here. Now this is actually opening in a new site, So let me check here. So I'll click on side menu, category, and here I can click on change link. And how does it open? New window, and I'll select here current window. Okay, so I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.